Stop scrolling Zillow for 5 seconds, seriously. If you are tired of looking at overpriced houses that smell like wet dog and need $50,000 in renovations, I have a question for you. Why aren't you just building a new one? Most people think building a custom home requires a 20% down payment, a rich uncle, and 2 separate expensive loans, but that is actually wrong. Whether you're a veteran or a first-time buyer with average credit, there is a loan product hiding in plain sight that lets you buy the land and build the house in a single transaction. It's called the one-time close. Here is how the old way used to work. You'd get a loan for the land, high interest, then a loan for construction, high risk. Then when the house was done, you'd have to refinance everything into a mortgage. You paid closing costs 3 times. It was a nightmare. The one-time close, or construction to permanent loan, fixes this. It wraps the land purchase, the construction costs, and your final 30-year mortgage into one bundle. You close once, you pay fees once, and the interest rate is often locked in before the first shovel hits the dirt. There are 2 main ways to do this: FHA and VA. Let's break them down. First, let's talk FHA, and to be clear, this isn't the 203K renovation loan for fixing up old houses. This is for building from scratch. Here is the magic number, 3.5%. If you have a credit score of 580 or higher, you can build a house with just 3.5% down. If your score is down to 500, you'll need 10% down. But think about that. Building a custom home with less than 5% down is honestly unheard of in the conventional market. The catch? Well, there are 2 things. The debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, is capped around 43%. And you cannot use this for a vacation home or an Airbnb. You have to live there. Now, if you're a veteran, active duty, or a surviving spouse with a certificate of eligibility, just stop what you are doing. This is the unicorn of real estate loans. The VA one-time close offers 100% financing. That means 0 down payment. You can finance the land and the build without bringing a suitcase of cash to the closing table. Plus, there is no mortgage insurance. You generally need a 620 credit score, and just like FHA, the building process has to start immediately. You can't just buy the land and let it sit for 5 years. Okay, I'm going to be real with you. This isn't as easy as buying a used house. The bank is taking a huge risk on you, so they have strict rules about who builds the house. You cannot DIY this. You can't hire your cousin who kind of knows how to frame a wall. The builder must be licensed, insured, and approved by the lender. If you're doing the VA loan, the builder actually has to be registered with the VA. Also, the land. You can use the loan to buy the land, which is great. But if you already own the land, you can use the equity in that land as your down payment. So if you own a lot worth $30,000, that might cover your entire FHA down payment requirement. So, do they just hand you a check for $400,000? No, the money is released in draws. The foundation is poured, then the bank inspects it, and the builder gets paid for the foundation. The framing goes up, the bank inspects it, and the builder gets paid for framing. This protects you. The builder doesn't get all the money until the house is actually finished. Once the final inspection passes, the loan automatically converts into your boring, normal, monthly mortgage. So, is a one-time close right for you if you need to move in 30 days? No, this process takes time. But if you are frustrated by the market and you want a home designed for your family, this is the cheat code. Here's your roadmap. Get your pre-approval, call Bob Hale Realty today, and we'll introduce you to trusted lenders who offer one-time close loans. Not every bank provides this option, but we'll make sure you're connected with the right one. Let Bob Hale Realty and Steve Hale help you find the perfect land and the right builder to bring your dream home to life. To get started or learn more, contact Bob Hale Realty and Steve Hale today. Call us at 706-796-2274 or 706-840-4663 or visit our website at www.bobhale.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to beat the algorithm. I'll see you in the next one.